I think we are live now. We should be live. Yeah, we are live. I might need to put this thing over here. All right, the market has opened. There is better mic quality today, guys. There is better mic quality today. मैंने कुछ realize करा. Okay, this starts to dump. Okay, okay. मैं बस right पे मैंने chat खोल ली अपनी. Live messages and just give me a second. I need to put this. And yeah, I think we're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. Coming back to what is happening right now in the market. I have not analyzed anything. नीचे हमने एक liquidity sweep करी है. As far as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster. Uh, that was not the line. As far as I can see, नीचे liquidity sweep है. As far as I remember, मतलब है कि हम daily से शुरू करते हैं. Line वो थी. All right, guys. What do you think? Don't I look beautiful today? सुंदर नहीं लग रहा मैं? Anyways, what do we have here? Inside of a bearish fair value gap, what do we have? We have these 4-hour blocks. We have this gap as well at 819. ऊपर क्या है? We have left these. Okay, dropping down again. Yeah, we are dropping down again. No one there today. There's nobody there. Or am I tripping? Okay. अब इसमें है क्या? अभी ऊपर कुछ है क्या? हम एक ब्लॉक टैप करके आ रहे हैं. Till where? अब we are inside a fair value gap. एक जो पुराना एग्जिस्ट करता है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस हियर. नीचे हमने कुछ I'll see 1 hour. On the hourly, we're in an hourly gap. ये it was at 904. Okay, एक रिएक्शन इसके 50% से आ चुका है. What I feel like is ये पूरी एक लिक्विडिटी है. ये 4 hour पे ऐसे एक गंदी सी लिक्विडिटी है. अगर इस गैप तक आती है I would have just shorted. There must be an entry on 30 seconds though. ये बहुत अच्छी entries हैं. Yep, no entries on 30 seconds. 15 seconds पे होंगी. These instant dumps do give a lot of. चलो तुम्हारा ही बढ़िया है. तुम्हें चैट करना लाउड नहीं है क्या आज? Can you guys not chat? Can someone write hi so that I can see कि तुम लोग कर पा रहे हो, कुछ ना कुछ लिख तो पा रहे हो. 15 second got an इस पे entry थी. This was a very beautiful entry by the way. I must say. Up until that some low. अभी भी हम इस 15 मिनट के अंदर से कोइंसाइड कर रहे हैं जो बहुत पुराना है. प्रथम ट्रेड्स, हाय, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर राइटिंग इन द चैट. एटलीस्ट आई नो दैट यू गाइस कैन राइट. ऊपर देर इज़ नो लिक्विडिटी स्वीप्स आई कैन सी. But what I am seeing is that we are actually respecting the daily inversion. This is the thing जो मैं अभी आपको बता पा रहा हूँ. लोज अभी 819 पे हैं. 823 पे एक्चुअली. दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि लो ना निकाले, बट कुछ भी हो। बट एज वी कैन सी हम एक ऊपर वाली एक इन्वर्जन से आ रहे हैं, एक डेली इन्वर्जन टैप करके आ रहे हैं, राइट। एंड इस पे मैं एक बार 4 आवर का चेक कर लेता हूँ कि क्या 4 आवर ने क्या रिस्पेक्ट दिया है। वी माइट गो टू अ डिस्काउंटेड जोन, दिस इज़ द रेंज, राइट। व्हाट इज़ द डिस्काउंटेड फेयर वैल्यू गैप, this is the discounted fair value gap. Do I have any good things on 30 minute? No taps on inversions of 30 second, 30. Okay, guys, first of all, news. 810, 8 tentative, yellow folders. Nothing much, no news day. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो हमको देखना ज़रूरी है. Let me switch to 1 minute. This is the first fair value gap जो अभी तक टैप नहीं हुआ है. Let me mark that on my chart. प्रीमियम डिस्काउंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम ऑलरेडी आर ऑलरेडी इन प्रीमियम. डेली इन्वर्जन हमने टैप किया है. नाउ व्हाट डू वी वांट फ्रॉम देयर इज़ कि हमें एक हायर टाइम फ्रेम कुछ मिले. वी टैप इनटू दैट एंड देन वी गेट अ ट्रेड टुवर्ड्स द डिस्काउंटेड फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स इज़ व्हाट आई कैन, दैट इज़ व्हाट आई कैन जस्ट थिंक अबाउट राइट नाउ. व्हाट डू यू, तुम्हारा क्या बायस है गाइज? गिव मी योर बायस, ड्रॉप योर बायस गाइज, ड्रॉप योर बायस. स्टॉप स्लीपिंग, स्टॉप स्लीपिंग, स्टॉप स्लीपिंग, स्टॉप स्लीपिंग. I think we should go for only sell. Yep, that is one of the things कि जो मेरे दिमाग में भी आ रही हैं कि सेल्स के लिए ही जाना चाहिए. The session, let me see, look at the session liquidities. It was perfect कि क्या हुआ है. If we reach those, एक आपको मैं एक ना स्कैल्प करके दिखाऊंगा 15 मिनट के एंड पे. If that happens, low at 22. I'll show a very quick scalp just for educational purposes. Just for educational purposes. Changing the contract size to 1. You guys can see the balance is still the same that I showed yesterday by the end of the last stream. What do I get here? Okay, we have flipped the daily open. We have completely flipped the daily open. Daily open has been challenged. And what can we expect? कि कुछ है. Where the gap is at, okay, 822 पे exactly वो same चीज़ें हैं. Okay, that has been tapped. No good entries according to me. 1 minute block was the thing that I was watching earlier. But it's fine. Completely fine. This is the new range that we are forming over here. यहाँ पे हमने अभी एक जस्ट एक 4 आवर गैप में आए हैं और हमने एक लो निकाला है. बट अपेरेंटली अगर मेरे को यहाँ से एक रिट्रेसमेंट चाहिए, इसको एक प्रीवियस लो स्वीप करना पड़ेगा 5 मिनट को, या फिर इट क्लोजेस बैक इनटू सम रेंज. It should not close that bearish. Okay, if that closes a little bearish, I might try a small short. Up until the low that it makes. 15 minute कोई point नहीं है अभी देखने का. My main view is I just want to see the closure of the 5 minute. Last 30 seconds, guys. मेरे को कुछ चीज़ें देखनी है इधर. I want a closure below 21s. ताकि मैं एक चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट कर पाऊँ. It's gonna be a very short scalp. 10 pointer maybe. Did it close? Yeah, it did. I'll try a 10 pointer here. उसने gaps ऊपर छोड़े हुए हैं. The new 5 minute opens, coming back to the 15-minute chart. What are we on about? Putting it a little higher. Putting it a little higher. Good place of rejection for this level. That 1 minute does look like कि भाई tap नहीं हो रहा but हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, it breaks the low again. Fuck my life. Boop. Low का एक और. Okay, that low is also taken out. But ये सब premium PDRAs हैं. Our DOL is actually 732s. No top wick, nothing. We have a 5 minute gap. Are we actually going into something that is bad? Okay, this is one thing. 712, 30-minute inversion on the top. This 30-minute. If I mark it, नीचे बड़ा वाला is 4 hour, and this exact line is 30-minute का कुछ. Going back to the 5 minute chart, do we have a gap over here? Is that a gap? No, that's not a gap. I don't expect it to make a gap. I expect the 15-minute to come here, tap this, and then take out the low again if this closes below over here, these lows. हम ऑलरेडी प्रीमियम ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. ये ना मेरे सर पर डाल दो, जो लावा है, ये देख रहे हो? People trading 30 seconds and 15 seconds must have gotten a good entry, but people like me, actually, I don't want to go down that road again for a while. Because I'm getting back to the positive. Okay, so this, if this gets made like a swing low, this apparently is a, क्या बोलते हैं? What do you say? अब ये गैप प्रीमियम में है. इवन अगर इसका लो ना टूटे या फिर कुछ, अब ये कुछ भी हो, अब ये प्रीमियम है. Boy, oh boy. Only if I would have gotten my fill here. But anyways, we are heading towards that. The original goal 712 then. No entries, no entries, no entries. No entries, guys. For me, there are no entries over here. Look at this. How am I supposed to enter? 848. I was trying to enter here at 905, 900s. If it didn't tap that, 696. 1 minute to the closure of 1 minute में वो बंद हो रही है. 15 मिनट की कैंडल. Is there like less light on the stream? Do you want me to put this on my face? No, it's ऐसी देख लो. चलो. You're coming out of is that a gap? Very minute one. But that's not discount, right? That's not discount. Coming back to 1 minute, just trying to make something. Someone who got a good entry ऊपर according to the shorter time frames must have been doing great. उनका DOL अभी hit हो गया होगा. For those who are aiming lower, this was one of the good DOLs. All of this dump in like very less amount of time. Look at this. 230 points. New 15-minute opens. Coming back. No bottom wicks, no bottom wicks. The low is a little too far. What is the 5 minute doing? It's trying to press down. I'm gonna take a 10 point scalp over here. This has completely flipped over up until that low. Just a 10 pointer. Putting the high above this. Oh, it's very volatile, guys. It's very volatile. बहुत volatile है. Minis was a bad idea. Yeah, minis is a bad idea. Yeah, minis is a very bad idea. Bad trade, bad trade. 761, 741 is from this gap. It gave 10 points. I entered here. That was my mistake. Let's see, let's see. No worries. Session just started. Session just started. Session just started. Should have shorted the gap instead for a 20 pointer or a 10 pointer, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Maybe I was a little too. The macro has started. Before macro, what it did was came back to the discount to the DOL. Where is the 5 minute fair value gap? It's high above 90s. This is one inversion that we can get. No news. DOL hit हो चुका है. I want to see how this closes. What is it tapping? Nothing. My aim was just 10 points, and I think it was a bad entry. I can try a quick scalp here. It's like 13 points. It's like a big number by. Yeah. Why is it resisting? I'm not getting that part. Just not getting that resisting part. अगर इसको भागना है तो अब ये बहुत जल्दी भागेगा. वरना अगेन बुलशिटर. Yeah, gonna take me out. Hmm. Poor executions, honestly. Poor executions. This was a good trade, but poor executions. Should have waited for the 1 minute gap. That is why what I'm talking about. Something is happening with my educations. Khatam, yeah. This is one of the things ki, that I just saw something on 30 seconds and see Why are you longing this? DOL got hit. Inversion के बाद it did give me a little bit of it. It did give me. It was just my thing that, and my TP was still 821s. Let's see how this plays out. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Give me a second. I just want to see how this goes. Yeah. My DOL got hit. I'm gonna turn off executions because it's irritating me. I'll put that back on in a while. Where do you remove show fills? Wow. How do you remove the history? Because it's irritating me. Boo, poor decision longing this. Where are we right now? First trade was a shitty trade. मतलब shitty execution. This did happen. जो मैं चाह रहा था. A good 10 pointer from this fair value gap. But apparently, my brain had some other plans. Not this. Guys, what is it, by the way? I literally can't remember. Current position, use fills and orders, right? Hide all. Because I can't see anything. क्योंकि ये वो आ गए हैं. अब ठीक है. Waiting time. See how this closes. Did it coincide a fair value gap? Might target this, but हम बहुत ज़्यादा बेरिश हैं. कुत्तों वाले बेरिश हैं हम. Gamecraft took the same loss. Yeah, it was actually a very good trade. Might take a trade with the 5-minute open possibly. This is like a lot of points, bhai. This is like 50 points. 50 points is like a lot. Did we do something or what is it? I literally cannot connect the dots because वो थी अच्छी ट्रेड मेरे हिसाब से तो. First one was a poor decision, but the second one was great. Let's see how the 5-minute closes. If this low does not get taken out before that, I might just before उसके पहले के options है, उसके बाद का कुछ नहीं बचा है. I want to see the 5-minute open. वाह कुत्ते का बच्चा. I'm not surprised if anyone took that loss, honestly. अगर ये 5 मिनट ब्लॉक रिस्पेक्ट होता है ना, तो इसके नीचे आने के वापस होंगे, बिकॉज अब ये मैक्रो ब्लॉक्स हैं. एक बार ये इस रेंज में आए 5 मिनट के उस पर, क्योंकि या तो गैप पे आएगा या किसी चीज़ पे तो आएगा, मैक्रो में एक चीज़ पे आएगा. दिस कैंडल ओपनड retraced into what? Is it that is something that I'm trying to figure out. So the 15-minute open. This is an eval, Jerio. This is an eval. Might take one more, and अगर वो नहीं तो फिर बंद. It means I can't trade a day like this. क्योंकि मैं एक जगह पे, और मे बी इट्स नॉट अ बैड डे एक्चुअली. दिन पे मैं ब्लेम करूँगा ही नहीं. इट्स नॉट अ, दिन को तो मैं कभी ब्लेम कर ही नहीं सकता. मैं दिन को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकता कभी भी इन चीज़ों में कि दिन बेकार था भाई. थिंक दैट इज़ नॉट अ थिंग. 604 एंड ये आवरली ब्लॉक कोइंसाइड कर रहा है. एक चीज़ चेक कर सकते हैं कि इसने क्या करी है. 605 मत जाइयो बस 15 मिनट ओपन से पहले. बिकॉज आई एम प्रिटी श्योर अब नेक्स्ट 15 मिनट जो बन रही है वो डायरेक्टली तो पंप नहीं करनी मैं चाहूँगा कि वो पंप करे. When the new hourly opens, it should, because this is a fucking Drake candle, I guess. Try to long on standard deviation -2 to -2.5. Yeah, I know that is a retracement zone, but longing this is, I think we do that on the basis of the CISDs, right? This is what I used to do when it comes to the CISDs or something like that. And if we take this as a whole, so the target becomes ye low wala low, and the 2.5 was this zone. Because I cannot just, I need to figure out something कि ये top pick जाके कहाँ बनी है. Okay boy, this fair value gap, ये invert हुआ, it came tap that back. चलो कोई नहीं, new 15 minute opens, उस पर आके tap किया, inverted this, fair value gap entry and a straight dump. Okay, that was the hindsight. वो hindsight चीज़ थी. I think matter of fact I did mark some 15-minute gap, right? Okay, it was the above one. ये वाला मैंने मार्क नहीं किया था, रेंज की स्टार्टिंग वाला, ये वाला, which got inverted and got respected. So top wick into that and fair value gap entry to the DOL. I think that would have been wonderful, something like this. बट हाइंडसाइट वाली चीज़ है ये पूरी. ओके. द न्यू कैंडल ओपन्स. ओके 605 इसी में टूट गया. न्यू आवरली ओपन्स. A little bearish. This is the hindsight. This is the hindsight. Am I? I think I was a little too aggressive today. I must say. If this is still not. If you have a gap upper, you can start doing that 10 point thing here. Honestly, 10 point is very easy. 10 pointers are very easy over here. 697, 897. Yep. Might try that. Because ऊपर सारे फेयर वैल्यू गैप्स मिसिंग हैं. अब आके स्पेशली इसको टैप करे इज क्रेजी. Where are we drawing towards then? Is it the 1 hour thing? Okay, 1 hour thing got already tabbed. Let's see how the 1 minute reacts. Can actually try this for a 10 pointer. Why can I not put orders? एक सेकेंड मैंने मस्ती कर दी. मैंने ये मस्ती करी है. This is the new 15-minute open. And there is nothing on the left. Look at this way. This is just flowing points. What can I even do about it? That was this low, previous NY low. अब फाड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं इसके अंदर हूँ. Out. Bullshit. Bullshit. Actual bullshittery. Guys, what if I say all of this is staged and all of this is not real? Would you believe that? I have a good trailing amount left of one trade. अब चले जा नीचे वापस. That is how this fucker balls. The new 5 minute opens. Boo. Mood off. 15-minute flipped over. This 1 minute also inverted. Uh, Trying to see this 5 minute. How does this hold? Because if I say reversal out of this, the should have been quick with the entry super when it was about for sells because I was pretty clear with the bias. There is this another thing that we have popping here. Is this shit too bearish? Honestly, this shit's too bearish. I think the yeah, that's an eval. That's an eval. That's an eval. That's an eval. Chill out. Not a PA trade, guys. These are not PAs. I think I'm misleading people who actually think like I trade PAs like this. I don't. I was just looking for scap sell here and there. Yo, what? Did my stream actually end? Guys, I took a scalp here. Made 800 back. Did a 20-point scalp here. This 1 minute inverse too bearish. And then I took a scalp. Made a little bit of it back. Now I've got everything back. Oh fuck. Did the stream actually get paused? Let me check. Yeah. Bullshit. Bullshit, 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 bullshit. Took a 20-point scalp here. Is what I have. Because I know ये लो निकलेगा फिर उसके बाद नई कैंडल बनेगी वो उसका लो निकालेगी और अब रिट्रेसमेंट्स ढूंढेंगे सो इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन विद माई थिंग अब ये DOL स्वीप करके ऊपर आएगा तो दैट इज़ ग्रेट I will long after how much payout have you taken in 2026? I'd not like to reveal. I don't reveal numbers, guys. That's one thing about me. Gap at 650. 650 is this high. The new 5 minute opens. क्या बंदा यार मतलब? In what sense? This still feels a little bearish. Did make a bottom wick. Might go to this 5 minute because the candles up closed. Explain that trading Dave. 15-minute low at 623. 623 is like this place. Might test that and come back down. I just want to know, मतलब apparently मैं कभी किसी के payouts पे वो नहीं हुआ हूँ भाई इस बंदे ने कितना निकाला होगा. So I just find that concept to be a little weird. 2025, even I didn't even do that back then as well. मैंने 2025 में भी नहीं किया था. Maybe once or twice on streams. एक दो बार हुआ हो तो हुआ हो. And it was not even my stream. You can see my interview though, to if you want to justify if I make or not, if I make money or not. If it's on Apex. I hope, yeah. It's on Apex, by the way. My interview. It was of, I don't know, some month, and you can only apply for an interview on Apex if you have taken out a payout. This shit's still bearish. On Apex के channel पे. You can see that interview on Apex channel. Apex Trader Funding YouTube. Why did I not get filled? वही टारगेट लो था. टारगेट बस वो लो था. बिकॉज ये मेरे को सहना नहीं है. इट वॉज अ गुड 10 पॉइंटर. सो मेरे को बस वो ऊपर की मस्ती नहीं झेलनी फिलहाल. Let it go where it wants to go, but bet. Thanks, G. No worries. I'm waiting for this 15-minute to open. Putting the chart of 15 on the side. 15 to bearish. 15 to bearish. Look, even I see some retracements with this. $520 is also a great place. If the low does not get taken out, putting stop loss as that high, 1:1 can be great. Just for the 15-minute low. Premium reprice already. Yeah, I think a 10 pointer. This would have been a good one if only if this was not a problem. What is the 5 minute doing? 5 minute didn't retrace anywhere, 15 minute didn't retrace anywhere. Do we have a 3 minute? No 3 minute stabbed. Boom! That is the whole sole reason why I was not comfortable. Only reason. Might give over 10 point reaction from here, 87 say. But too risky. These are three drives. या तो ये पूरा वापस एक रिकैप्चर है या फिर एक ये पूरा वो होगा, दिक्कत देगा. या वही था. Didn't expect that much of a reaction, पर वही है. क्या पता it might just go for a low sweep again. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. कोई 5 minute है ही नहीं ना. Okay, we're coming off with 3 minute now. 5 at 570s. 570 से लेके फिर 54. 3 minute ने 10 पॉइंट दे 15 पॉइंट दे दिए. 30 second inversion doesn't look good. This would have been great from 73 to this 52.3. Missed out on this. I'll rewatch. Why did I forget the initial bias and didn't expect the 15 minute to just, why would it just reverse? Goes, makes top wick, then goes bottom wick, close, whatever that. Resisting at the opens. When you look at the face of 5 minute, 5 minutes kinda a little weird. I think I'll take trades at 10:45 macro now. I won't expect things to happen abhi. So that is pretty much it because the macro is over. And sitting here for another 30 minutes is weird. So I'd say I'll take a leave and then come back because abhi weird out hoga because macro was too great. I'll see you guys.